Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is another delicious yummy recipe. If you want to see how I made this delicious tasty jollof rice, please stay tuned. Okay guys, for this recipe I'm using 3 of this tomato. I have the sweet pointed pepper, I have habanero pepper, and I have white onions, some flour oil, mix seasoning, curry and thyme, maggi, salt, long grain white rice. So guys, this is our meat. We are using turkey gizzard and we are using fresh turkey as well, fresh turkey wings. Okay, our meat is clean. We are going to add seasoning in the meat and we will start cooking it. I'm going to add onions. I'm going to add 2 maggi. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add dry thyme, mix seasoning, curry. Now I'm going to cover that and I'm going to allow the meat to cook very well. I'm gonna cook it until the meat is done and ready. So guys, that is our rice. We're going to add hot water. And we're going to just parboil it for like 4 to 5 minutes. Once the water boils, we get it out and just give it a good clean. I'm going to take the rice off the stove now and I'm going to clean it properly. So now guys, we are going to cut and blend our tomato and our sweet pepper, onions and habanero pepper. So we're going to blend everything together. Okay guys, I am done blending my tomato. Everything is inside the pan now. I'm just gonna allow it to cook and dry and let all the water go out of the tomato. So guys, our meat is done and ready. I am going to take it out of the stove now. So I've added oil in the pan. pan, I am going to allow it to heat up and we'll start frying our meat. So guys, I have taken out our tomato. It is dry now. We will start frying the tomato. Okay, so I'm going to add our onions, and I'm using the same oil that I used to fry my meat. I just took out half of the oil and I'm using half to fry my tomato. I'm going to allow that to simmer for a few seconds. After a few seconds, we are going to add our tomato. Just allow it to fry and dry up. So guys, it is time to add our seasonings. I'm going to add 2 scoops of curry. I'm going to add 2 scoops of thyme. I'm going to add 1 scoop of mixed seasoning. I'm going to add 2 maggi, and I'm going to add salt. I'm going to mix it up together. Now I'm going to allow it to simmer for a few seconds. So guys, I'm going to take it out of the stove now. So I've added my tomato inside the pot. I'm going to add my meat water. I'm going to add more water inside the pot. I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil up, and then I'll add my rice. So now I'm going to add my rice. So I've covered it. I'm going to allow it to cook until the rice is ready. So guys, our jollof rice is done and ready. I am going to take it out of the stove now. So guys, we are done for today. This jollof rice with fried turkey gizzard and fried turkey wings is the bomb, guys. It is looking and smelling so yummy. So thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye bye.